السلام عليكم year 2. كيف حالكم اليوم؟ How are you today؟ بخير والحمد لله. أحسنتم. في الحصة الماضية in the last session we have learned في دكان الخضروات. ماذا أشتري من دكان الخضروات؟ ماذا أشتري من دكان الخضروات vegetables shop or vegetables سوق. ماذا أشتري؟ أنا أشتري فلفل ما هذا؟ جزر. أحسنتم. وخضروات. ممتاز. And we learn it have we join the letter together. الخضروات. This is how to join the words. This is what we have learned last time. الخضروات. And can we remember together why we have a space here? Why you wanna join this letter together? Yeah, because letter A said leave space after me. نعم. أحسنتم. And this letter خا not like that because of what? Because what we said. Because letter خا, for all the letters we need to take only the head of the letter and put the connector. Head of letter ض and put the connector. And letter wa. Why have a space after wa? Because letter ra and letter wa said leave space after me. No. What they said? Don't step in my dress because see they have a long dress. And letter a and letter da and letter the said leave space after me. But letter ra, letter za, letter wa, they have a long dress and always say don't step in my dress. That's why we not join after them. And we learned also how we build our sentences in Arabic. أنا, then the verb أشتري, then the vegetables الخضروات, then connectives من is from. رائع. الدكان. And what is ال is? the shop. ممتاز. وأيضا تعلمنا فلفل. ممتاز. وجزر. جزر. When you put them in the simple sentences أنا أحب فلفل وجزر. و is and. ممتاز. Today what we're going to learn? We're going to remember together how I read and write the long vowel with the new vegetables. So what this sound is A, U, E. If we have example letter خا from الخضروات, letter خا, if I join it with this sound it will be خا. If I join خا with this sound it will be خو. If I join خا with this sound it will be خي. ممتاز. Can you read the sound with me? خا, خو, خي. Now if I change this letter to any another letter, can you guess any letter? Can you think about any other letter? For example, letter da, it will be da, do, di. Please try this vowel or this sound with any letters and try to say it. The new vegetables we're going to learn it today. How to join this letter together with the long vowel. B, T, A, T, A. بطاطا. بطاطا. هذه بطاطا. If you put it in sentence it will be أنا أحب بطاطا. أنا أحب البطاطا. The. If you use the al it will be the. And this is how to read it. Batata. And we have this word is, or this vegetable's name is طماطم. طماطم. Say with me again. طماطم. ممتاز. Here can you say this sound now? بطاطا. أحسنت. And here طماطم. ممتاز. So here's what I need from you now. Please, if you confident how to read and write this letter, please continue the video. If you not feel confident how to join this letter and how to say the sound, please continue the video with me. Here what we're going to do, you have to use the verb أضع as we learned it before. أضع is I put in your sentences, and you can use the colors we learned it and some adjectives like من or like في, the adjectives we learned it, the connectives we learned it before. Here if I want to say the sentence about this basket, for example, I can say أنا أضع بطاطا and طماطم وفلفل في سلة الخضروات. في سلة الخضروات, vegetables basket as we learned it before in the fruit shop. سلة الفواكه here, سلة الخضروات. And remember في, because in your sentences for last week you confused between in and من. Now understand here too what you have to do. Now you know how to say the vegetables we learned it. Can you say it with me please? فلفل, بطاطا, طماطم وخضروات. Here you can say your own sentences, like I give you one sentence. You can say in other sentences you can use أضع بطاطا في السلة, وأضع طماطم في السلة, وأضع فلفل أخضر وأحمر في سلة الخضروات. And you can use the colors with the فلفل or with the طماطم. And you can say في, or you can use من, or you can use و as connectives. Please, if you need anything, send it to me by email or write for me in a Padlet. الآن شكرا, مع السلامة.